Hi, I'm Stephanie. Did you know that you can create your own applique shapes with the built-in frames in your machine? Today I'm going to show you how to do just that on a tablet case with the Baby Lock Aventura 2. First we need to decide the size of our tablet cover and make sure that it's going to cover and that you have enough to bring a flap down. And then we need to mark for our embroidery somewhere in the center here. This is a stick tear, so you want to make sure there's a slick side on top. And place the top in nice and snug. We're going to grab a straight pin. We need to score the stabilizer. And we're going to peel as much of this off as we can. And we're ready for embroidery. Let's place our tablet cover onto the machine. Then we're going to create an applique to create this name badge. So select a rectangle, and this will create our placement stitch. Add an additional rectangle. We need to make this rectangle match our second rectangle. And this is going to be our tack down stitch. Now let's add our satin stitch. Same menu, but you're going to use 002. And let's make the satin stitch just a tiny bit bigger than our outside rectangles. Now let's add our font. And we can make that a little bit larger. And we need to rotate 90 degrees to the right. Press OK. So press embroidery. And we're going to stitch out our placement stitch. So we're going to take our fabric, and we have a little bit of sticky stabilizer, and place our fabric on top to hold it in place. And now we'll do our tack down stitch. All right, now we just need to trim around our tack down stitch to get the excess fabric off. All right, let's place our project back onto our machine and stitch our pretty satin stitch. All right, let's stitch our name out, and for that we're going to change colors. And our embroidery is done, so let's take the tablet case out of the machine. And look how good that looks. So we've changed our Aventura 2 back into a sewing machine, and we switched our embroidery foot out for our general purpose sewing foot, which is your foot J, as well as the sewing shank or ankle. And we have sewing thread in our bobbin and our top. And our machine comes onto the default setting of 1-03, and that is a center stitch, and that's what we need. So we're simply going to stitch along the edge here, which is our side seam. And the last thing we need to do is place our hook and loop tape. And there you have it. Explore this project and many more at babylock.com.